about? And why did I write a second play? So there's a very close friend who's seated here and whose kids have been in the play for many years. So it began with that. She works for an MNC in our vicinity, and she told me that there are kids, say between 15 to 20-year-olds, not 15, yeah, maybe, yeah, 17, I guess. So they come to their office for internship, and quite a few kids had activist or going to protest written as hobbies. Can you believe that? Yes, this is factual thing, and I heard this from multiple people our age. The नए बच्चे आते हैं यार हॉबी में एक्टिविस्ट लिखते हैं. My daughter is the same age, so I started wondering where is this coming from? So I realized that there is a lot happening. So most of these kids, they want to belong to a club of youngsters, where nice hip things are happening, cool music, good food, friends हैं जाके मजे करो. तो या तो क्लब हो सकता है या ये हो सकता है. That is none of their concern. They want to be with friends. A. Second thing that I realized is, do they care about the cause? Yes, some of them do. But is the intent probably misplaced? Probably. हमसे भी गलती होती है. Go green ठीक है यार, लेकिन I have seen kids who stay in Birchwood, where I stay, 5 minutes away from HFS, take car to go to school. Walk the talk. Don't take car every day. ठीक है चलो महीने में एक दिन ले जाओ every day. They don't implement it. They don't live what they preach. That is happening. And hence I thought, why not to write something or give them a play which is their own. Now it's their own. It's no more my play. Make them realize what goes in activism. Is activism misplaced? If you don't want to be an activist, never tell kids what not to do, rather what to do. What can you replace it with? Because I believe nature doesn't like vacuum. आप कहोगे अरे ये मत करो, ठीक है, लेकिन क्या करें? क्या करें बताना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है ना. So the play is all about that, and yes, we had a lot of fun. I had fun writing it and working with them. So yes, P for protests.
Guys! Arjun is on TV. Literally, actual TV. He's legit, man. He's legit.
Like TV, like actual satellite wala TV.
Are you kidding me? That's Arjun. Arjun. He cried in the middle of his oral last week, man. And now he's saving the planet.
Just look at the lighting, man. Just look at it. Pura activist mode hai. He's literally, his school juniors are literally DMing him like he's a celebrity, man. Celebrity.
Hey, I just checked. Someone made a fan edit of him on Insta. It has 12K views.
12K views? Life's so unfair, yaar. Mom doesn't even let me go to a concert after 9. So they're a protest. TV pe aana, it's iconic. And even if I say the word protest at home, my mom's gonna start sending me Bhagat Singh quotes on WhatsApp.
Same here. Even if I utter the word protest at home, Dad's gonna be like, oh, what now? Are you learning politics? Yeah, I'm telling you guys, these parents, they'll never understand. They'll just go crazy and freak out. What if the police comes?
What if media sees? Like, that's the point.
Guys,
Seriously?
Tara has just sent me a flyer.
What's the plan?
अरे कुछ तो प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है रुस्तम पार्क पे. It's कुछ तो ऑयल पाइपलाइन का है, मुझे नहीं पता. But I think we should go, man. We should go. And Blue Jatra is playing. And there's a rumor.
What rumor?
Pratik Kuhar might drop by.
Oh my God!
Pratik Kuhar is like my emotional support. I cry at protest. I'll straight up lie to my parents. For Pratik Kuhar, I'll risk everything.
Oh, you guys want batchman now? वो Dev.
कौन Dev?
अरे यार Dev Rai.
Oh.
He posted this full-on RC pic, man. Dusty placard, caption: "We move for those who can't." And he's getting followed by college kids. College kids.
We have to go. Just imagine a slow-mo walk. Okay, placards in the background, blue chapter. Alright, rolling a shot. This is like social currency, man.
Oh, and what if TV guys are there and we get captured in the background? Imagine the perfect shot, perfect lighting.
Imagine placards in hand, a dramatic close-up, and maybe even a blurred celebrity in the background.
Captions. My silence is louder than your privilege.
Okay, guys. We're telling our parents we're going to group study. I mean, we are studying society, right?
And flunking the syllabus.
Let's go. From the sea to the river, we shall protest forever. From the sea to the river, we shall protest forever.
Guys, what is the cause? Why are we protesting?
Abhi yaar!
Dude, we're protesting. That's the point.
Anyways, who cares? My post with my face, #revolution, already has 2K views.
Guys, we need to focus. I say, let's demand burgers in school recess.
That's very easy for you. Your dad owns Burger Boss.
Exactly. Rather, we should be protesting for healthy food.
It's a tough one, but I love a good cause, but I also love fries.
This is making me kind of thirsty.
Push! We're against child labor.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
अरे यार हम बच्चे से काम नहीं करवाते.
देखिए, in this play I'm 35 years old. Support local business. पेड़ से साइकिल तक, साइकिल से प्लास्टिक का थैला तक, प्लास्टिक के थैले से आग तक.
Look, this is real stuff. Hygienic, organic coconut water.
This even has a recyclable cap. Look at it.
उसका प्लास्टिक स्ट्रॉ देखा है? So unethical.
90 rupees. मेरा तो जो 20 rupees में पकड़.
देखो, पैसे की बात नहीं है.
It's about values.
It's about principles.
#peace.
हैं?
#sustainability है.
Sustainable.
#go green.
Go green! Go!
ए बॉस, वो लड़की को देखा?
वो लड़की ना? हाँ, दिख रही है.
ऊपर से नो टू प्लास्टिक का बैनर लेके चल रही है, पर हाथ में देखा उसके कोल्ड ब्रू का कप है.
उस सब का प्लास्टिक चलता है इन लोग को. Bro, it's called aesthetic contradiction. You won't get it. ओए, save the sea. बॉटल क्या फेंक रहा है? Basic civic sense नहीं चले, environmentalist बने. ओ मैडम, ये क्या चल रहा है?
It's called modern activism. Sweat-proof emotions. Protest करना है, पर full skincare routine के साथ.
अच्छा, मतलब burning with rage, but only on Insta. अच्छा, वैसे वो कुर्ता पहना हुआ लड़का दिख रहा है?
कहाँ? हाँ.
उसके हाथ में से नो टू प्लास्टिक, सस्टेनेबिलिटी, गो ग्रीन वगैरह का प्लकार्ड है. और थोड़े समय पहले नारियल वाले को बोल रहा था, भैया प्लास्टिक स्ट्रॉ मत यूज कीजिए, इंस्टा पे अच्छा नहीं दिखता.
Why boss? That नारियल वाला guy has cold mind context. उसके पास चलना चाहिए.
Yeah, let's go. नमस्ते काका, नमस्ते. कैसे हो?
नमस्ते, छोड़ो. आप इधर प्रोटेस्ट में हो कि टाइम पास कर रहे हैं? सोशल मीडिया, YouTube के चैनल, सब्सक्राइबर्स कितना, फोटो लेना है. अच्छा, बात करनी है 1 मिनट. हाँ, ऑथेंटिक लग रहा है. काका, आप तो एकदम प्रो निकले. YouTube और चैनल दोनों है.
वैसे काका, बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है?
अरे हमारा क्या, आपका क्या, इनकी वजह से तो चलता है. और इन दोनों ने तो आपसे नारियल लिया ही नहीं. इन दोनों ने नहीं लिया, चिल्लाते रहेंगे, प्यास लगती रहेगी, कभी ना कभी तो लेना ही पड़ेगा.
मतलब ये प्रोटेस्ट आपके लिए अच्छे हैं?
बिल्कुल. वैसे तो सिर्फ 20-25 नारियल ही बिकते हैं, पर इनकी वजह से 50 तो टक्का.
50?
Oh my God. वो क्या है? काका, वो these are the banners the protesters were using, no? वो क्या, मेरा साइड बिजनेस है. वो क्या, बेटा ने यहाँ इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ा है, तो वो सेव द अर्थ के बैनर 100 रुपए, और अगर इंग्लिश गलत तो 80 रुपए.
Oh find a good place. Let's
ए
go.
फॉलो करना #real नारियल पानी वाला इंस्टा पे।
हाँ, follow करेंगे।
Injustice, sustainability, go green.
Such powerful words.
But what is she talking about?
छोड़ देना protest में, just clap and nod.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you do this? How dare you pretend to care while destroying the planet? The time for talking is done. The time for action is now. We must stop buying from companies that pollute. I bring to you my new collab with Green Corp. You see the sneakers I'm wearing? They are made out of recyclable ocean plastic. If you use the promo, how dare you, you will get 10% off.
Media?
Yes, yes.
Oh, please come, please.
Beta, inspiring words, beta. But isn't Green Corp a cooperative industry? I mean, they still pollute, right?
See, nobody is perfect. This is the beginning. At least they're trying.
You said we must stop reckless traveling, but reports say you arrived in a private jet. बिल्कुल नहीं. This is fake news.
It was a shared jet.
Shared jet? मतलब private ही हुआ ना?
Look, I have to travel for work.
It said you're going to the sustainability luxury gala in Maldives.
Yes, for an important meeting.
You got a problem with that?
No, what we mean is that the resort you're staying
Has 3 infinity pools. 3.
Look, awareness has to happen somewhere. You can't expect activists to live in caves. Where are they?
Where is who? What's she talking
I
about?
think we should go. These people are not your wife. Yes! The painting is destroyed!
Oh no, they destroyed the painting. Yeah, they put soup on it.
We need revolution, not art. We want to draw your attention here. While people paint, the rest remain hungry. अरे म्यूजिक कहाँ पे है? Need no education. We don't need no voice control. Down sarcasm in the classroom. Teachers leave us kids alone. Teachers leave us kids alone. All in all, yeah, we are done. Get it up. Yeah. Oh my God! What place is this? What is this smell? Is it fish? Nah, just Mumbai. ये क्या गंदगी है यार? I hate it here. The prisons in Netflix look so much better. Hey, are they gonna take a mugshot? But I'm not wearing the best of my
I'm sweating so much, yaar.
I'm so hungry. We should have saved some of that soup, yaar. It was nice soup. Can you see something?
Are you seeing all of this? We are in jail, like prison, and they took my phone. iPhone, huh? बड़े आए privileges के साथ.
I know,
What a
right?
place are we in?
I know, right? We should have been in New York protesting against climate change, not some third world lockup in Andheri.
Oh, and you know, the graffiti we did, that was not vandalism. It was a piece of art, a statement for people to understand.
You know how much time I spent researching for that mural?
How much?
15 minutes of Google!
15 minutes?
Yes!
You know, the graffiti paint we used, it was completely organic and 100% biodegradable.
You should see the banners and skyscrapers in New York. Bade save the earth.
और हमारे ग्रुप से सोहम, त्रिशा, आलिया कोई भी नहीं आया. सब एक नंबर के फेक.
Fake छोड़ो, real लो, not real. 100% organic. Why was he arrested? You!
This नारियल पानी वाला does not match our vibe.
हाँ, वाइट पे तो बहुत ध्यान है तुम्हारा. वो स्प्रे पेंट लेकर पूरे सब पार्क के बेंचेस पे लिख दिया ना, सेव द अर्थ.
At least वो organic तो था.
वो पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी को तुमने डिस्ट्रॉय किया, वो वैंडलिज्म होता है. हमारे गांव में ना गोबर लगाते हैं जमीन पर.
और उसके ऊपर सुंदर रंगोली बनाते हैं.
हैशटैग गोग्रीन 100% सस्टेनेबल. और आप मैडम, आप तो स्कूल के 10 मिनट की दूरी पे रहते हैं पर हर रोज गाड़ी चलाते हैं.
और टाइम. अच्छा, इनका रिकॉर्ड में नाम नहीं लिखना है.
हाँ, लिख दो. We are proud of our activism.
कल जब हमारा नाम टाइम्स मैगजीन में आएगा ना,
आएगा. हाँ, आएगा.
that will be proof.
अरे पर तुम्हारी मम्मी पापा ने कॉल करके बोला तुम्हारा नाम रिकॉर्ड में नहीं लिखने के लिए.
अरे उनको काम कुछ समझ में आता है.
अरे वो ही तो भेज गया ना तुम्हारे रिटर्न में एक लाटे पे करने के लिए. और वो ऑर्गेनिक पेंट, उसका भी.
Is that better coming? We are gonna make some post with her. Hashtag
Free us.
Hashtag go green.
Hashtag cheer life.
Hello. Hi, big fan.
Distance, please.
Aren't you arresting me?
Only if you want to, madam. और आप दोनों का क्या?
अरे नहीं, हम लोग मीडिया के अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना है.
अच्छा.
Madam, एकदम fresh plastic free experience. She's allergic to nuts. Coconut?
It's a nut. Duh.
Did you know she was allergic to coconuts?
No.
Let's take a photo of her in distress.
Yes. Let's take a picture with her with the Narayana.
Yeah.
Sit here.
हाँ काका, पहचाना क्या?
हाँ.
फोटो लेते हैं अभी. आप नीचे बैठो. बेटा, look tired. Look there, the camera से. Look tired. बेटा say cheese.
She's allergic to cheese.
बेटा say how dare you.
How dare you?
Wonderful shot, wonderful.
Yes, does she not care about the props, right?
इन लोगों को न्यूयॉर्क भेजना था, अभी तो कमरे से बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे। चलो अभी।
चलो चलो, गेट खाली करना है। देख लो बच्चे,
जेल
मुझे
से
देखो।
दूसरे जेल। Wish me luck. एक कदम पेड़ की तरफ। वाह वाह, क्या पोएम है। For the first time लोगों ने मुझे देखा है, लोगों ने मुझे सुना है और लोगों ने मुझे रिकॉर्ड भी किया है। I know, मैं थी तुम्हारे साथ उधर, वरना घर पे पढ़ाई की, ट्यूशन कब है और कब है। और तुम्हें पता, मम्मा ने भी उसी दिन बोला था, रेवोल्यूशन करना तो पहले फिजिक्स का सिलेबस कंप्लीट करो। माँ गॉड नो चिल मैन।
अरे तुम्हारे मम्मी का नाम मत लो। वैसे पोयम तो बुरी नहीं थी। अगर ये पोयम तुम्हारी एग्जाम में होती तो फिर पूरा परिवार साथ में बैठ के तुम्हारी बात सुनता। सैडली नेक्स्ट वीक तुम्हारे एग्जाम है।
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना, पढ़ाई में कुछ ना हो तब तक आप लोग अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं करते हो। You know, my favorite singer RK was going to be there, पर नहीं आया यार।
अच्छा, तो वो प्रोटेस्ट मतलब तुम्हारा म्यूजिक कॉन्सर्ट, डांस वांस वही होता है ना?
हाँ वही होता है।
देखा, मुझे पता है। आई एम द लिट। पर ये सब ठीक है बेटा, पर मुझे ये बताओ कि हमेशा तुम सिस्टम को विलेन क्यों बनाते हो? सिस्टम ही तो है जिन्होंने हॉस्पिटल्स बनाए हैं, स्कूल्स बनाए हैं, रोड्स बनाए हैं।
See, मुझे पता था आप लोग लेक्चर दोगे ही दोगे। We protest over a cause we feel about.
तो कोई भी सब्जेक्ट, तुम लोग घर का अच्छा खाना नहीं खाते तो मैं प्रोटेस्ट में बैठ जाऊँ?
हाँ पर स्लोगन तो लगेगा। माँ की रोटी, दादी का प्यार, बर्गर, फ्राइज सब बेकार।
You are haters. आप हमारा मजाक उड़ा रहे हो ना?
Go ahead.
They will never understand.
क्या अंडरस्टैंड? हेल्दी खाना नहीं खाओगे तो मैं प्रोटेस्ट करूँ?
अरे दादी,
पालक तो नहीं पसंद।
पर हम लोग ने तो खाया था वो पालक रोल एंड स्प्राउट टिक्की।
देखा, मैंने सॉल्यूशन निकाला, एक्शन किया, मैंने प्रोटेस्ट नहीं किया।
आप लोग जो करते हो ना, हम उसे बोल बच्चन कहते हैं।
तो झापड़ लगाओ ना, सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
वैसे तुम्हारे स्कूल में 4 W's और 1 H पढ़ाते हैं ना? और let's do a little exercise, okay? Why the protest?
For a cause.
Why did you go there?
क्योंकि मेरे सब फ्रेंड्स आ रहे थे और my poem was going to be read out. You know, party थे, snacks था, गाने थे. It was fun.
Where was the protest?
कहीं बाहर जहाँ 4 लोग देख पाए। तुम्हारी बहन वो अपने आप को अपने रूम में लॉक कर दी थी कल ना, किसी ने उसे भाव नहीं दिया।
That was mean. No, that was bad.
पापा ने आधे घंटे के लिए आईपैड ले लिया तो इतना गुस्सा, प्रोटेस्ट भी कर लिया।
A successful protest needs an audience. जैसे वो 4 साल का बच्चा टेंट्रम करता है, demands are met and parents are embarrassed. How was the protest taken? You had some banners and you used to scream out. Sounds like a youth club to me.
What happened after the protest?
Moms arrived. Few of us were caught, but we came home. अरे, you know that Shane and Tanya, they got arrested. Their parents were furious, man. Yeah, grounded.
और वो तुम्हारी बेटा, वो तो फ्रंट पेज पर है, पार्टीज जा रही है, ट्विटर पर है।
Yeah, I don't mind getting her the spotlight. She was the face of the protest. अरे बट fair नहीं है ना, हम लोग धूप में प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और वो पार्टीज जा रही है, प्राइवेट जेट में घूम रही है. That's not fair.
You are right and so is your brother. उसको स्पॉटलाइट मिलने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
But does she walk the talk? Does she stand in the sun and do what you do?
No.
So, listen to me. just don't listen to me just because I am your father. Listen to me because I'm older than you and I have made more mistakes than you have, and learn from them. That's all.
एक बात बताओ, wisdom is easily accessible in India and याद है मैंने परसों पूजा की थी?
हाँ, but something ना?
या बरगद का पेड़, तुलसी का पेड़, पर पूजा करने के लिए पेड़ तो लगता है ना, तो go green is all part of our culture.
Hey guys, I heard there's a protest at Powai Lake. We have to go.
Oh no, I'm not going for any faltu protest.
Yeah, even I'm not going to come.
Why?
Let's instead clean the Powai Lake.
Yeah. From Dadi's wisdom to today's plans.
Real rebels build
With their own two hands.
So, what is my learning? If you want to be part of any activism, if you feel for a cause, walk the talk, right? It is better to take action than go and protest. Putting forward your voice, your opinions is all good, but please have an open communication with your parents always, because A, we have best interests of yours in our heart, and secondly, as Arav said, we have lived a little longer than you have. So we have committed more mistakes and we have learned from them. We don't want you to commit the same mistakes. Please talk to your parents and follow whatever your parents tell you. Thank you.